Video 272. Our auto tiling is wrong. This is wrong. We're going to go over the code. We're going to fix it in the next video. In the ArtGirl shader macros, we have added this 32, so unsigned 32, and then all these other unsigned values that we're going to use in our shader. We only need the 32 currently. The F4X, F4Y value has been moved outside of this scope here because we're using it lower down in the code, but that might change in the future because of the bug we have. So I thought this code might be wrong. This code I think is okay. It's not where the problem is. And then down here, I figured out where the math was wrong. So this right here is wrong, but let's just go over the code, right? So we have a 20 by 20 grid overlay over our tile. We actually need that to be a 10 by 10 grid. So imagine that instead of dividing by 20, we divide by 10. So we take the discrete internal local coordinate and we divide by 1/20th the size of the current tile we're on to get a grid cell that's in a 20 by 20 cell grid, right? And then right here, we're localizing that coordinate so that we can get a grid cell position within a 5 by 5, right? Because we got a 5 by 5 graphic that we want to pull the binary pixel out of. We're going to take that 5 by 5 x and y, and we're going to convert it to a one-dimensional value, 0 to 24 inclusive. This stuff is all right. This math right here is correct. We are shifting out the correct bit. We are in network bit order, so we have to invert the bit. So when this is 0, we should be getting the 31st bit. We're going to mask it out with a binary 1, so and 1, to mask out the bit we want. If the bit is off, then we're going to use the body color, and if the bit is on, we're going to use the edge color for the pattern we're going to render. So that part's correct. So here's what we did previously, and here's some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So we're going to fix it in the next video. If you want to know why we left the bug in, you can go to the longer video for a detailed explanation. This has been video 272. Like and subscribe.